Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We have a new vape introducing Black Manila device. This is a new version of new version 5 Black Manila V5. Let's open it. This is color black. This is a transparent. Below, this is a USB Type-C charging port, and this is a power button. Press, as you can see. This is a adjustable watts. So let's adjust. Until only 20. So let's put aside this. And secondly, this is a disposable pads of Royal Elite B5 version 5. Let's open it. This is a pin. Let's remove. So this is a 100 K-Pops with a flavor of gummy bears. So let's remove this sticker. So let's try. So it's very cool, but not totally menthol. So this is Black Manila version 5 and Royal Elite Crystal. Disposable pads and device. So, what do you think? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.